Hi guys, today we are going to solve some problem as well as we will see the conversion formula from star to delta, and I will say the trick by which you are easily remember the formula. For example, we are going to convert from star to delta. Then how we will write the formula from star to delta? You could see. This is RA, this is RB, this is RC resistance. Okay, this is RC resistance. Then how we are going to write the equivalent for this? You could write now this is in delta form. Okay, because we have to convert star into delta. Otherwise you could draw somewhat nicely this one. Then what to do? Just I need to erase it. After that I can redraw it so that it will look so nice. Okay guys, this is the delta. We can give the name also PQR. Okay, means you know already our delta shape looks like this, look like this, look like this, look like this, PQR. Okay, it will look like this. Then by using this, how we are going to convert and what is the conversion formula? Keep in your mind guys, star is nothing but it used to represent this by y also, or this way also. Okay, then you could see here, you just consider it, this is the large one and this is the small one, means it is spreading more, it is spreaded, that's why I am considering this is the large one and this is the small one. Then this way we should remember the formula. If large one going to convert into the small one, then formula is P equals to, you could see here what is connecting with the P, large one going to the small one. Okay, then always denominator will be large. If large one going to be small one, means the numerator will be large. Then P value is what? P is here, P is here. Okay, P is connecting here. Then how we can write? We can write RA, R, this is the V, RB plus, because this is the big one, large one, that's why numerator will be large one. Means we could remember, we should write in the multiplication of all in circular way. Okay, RA, RB plus RB, RC plus RC, RA. Means this is the large one divided by whatever the branch, whatever the branch it's not touching this one, means which is not touching this P1, which is not touching RB, then divided by RB. Next likewise, then this is we got the P value. What is the Q value? Q value likewise, this is, this numerator portion will be same, RA, RB, RB, RC plus RC, RA. Which portion is not touching? This one it is touching to RB, and RA it is not touching to RC. Then RC will be like, we will write that. What about RC? Again we will write like that, plus RB, RC plus RC, RA divided by RA. Okay guys, we will write this way. This is the formula from star to delta conversion. Next, we will see there how to convert. This was for star to delta. Next, we will conversion formula for delta to star. Conversion formula for delta to star. For example, this is the delta network. and we have to change into star network. Means we have to change into star network. This is example RA, RB, RC, and this is the PQR. You can keep the name. Then you just try to understand the concept. That is the important. Okay, we could draw this way like this also. P, Q, R. Then what is the formula? How you will calculate the P? Now what you are doing is small one to the large one. Okay, likewise, or you could say this way, large one. Then small one means your what, from where to where we will start, we will remember. Small one numerator means small one going to change into big one means always your numerator now is small, means which one will convert, that we will be numerator, means we will just memorize one trick. If it is the small one, a numerator will be small one. If you are going to change into the, you could see, we are going to change into the large one into the small one, numerator will be large one. If we are going to change the small one, then their numerator will be small one. Then likewise, and we could see here, when we are going to convert into the P delta into star, then P equals to whatever the branches are touching, their multiplication, RA RB divided by total summation, RA plus RB plus RC. Q is what? Here, whatever the touching here, this one touching to the Q, then their multiplication, and it is changing into small to big, just whatever I trick told you, just remember RA RC, and here you could see it is touching here, that's why we are doing the multiplication, RA RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Likewise, R equals to what we can write? R is here touching the branches, RB RC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Okay guys, this is coming under the delta to star. Okay, it comes under delta to star. Okay guys, this is the formula and the trick. This way you could easily remember this conversion formula from delta to star and star to delta. In that one, what you have to focus means you just consider your delta is the small one and star is the big one, large one. Then from where to where we will convert, if we are going to convert star to delta means star is large one, then numerator will be large. Numerator will be large. If we are going to convert delta into star means delta, we are going to convert from which to which? We are going to convert from small to large. Means here also now delta numerator will be small. Means if large will be there, their numerator will be large. If small will be there, their numerator will be small. Means just one trick to remember the formula. Okay guys, thank you. In next video, we will see the